Hello. So today's question is easy, and the question is longest unequal adjacent groups subsequence. Okay, so this has been solved. So you are given a string array words. Similarly, you have given a string array groups. So which is associated with groups I. Your task is to select the longest alternative subsequence from words. Subsequence means this is not a contiguous elements. These are the alternating elements which can be unequal. Means zero is equal to zero. So this is not a longest. This is not a unequal adjacent group. The unequal adjacent groups is 0 and 1. Okay, so E and B will be the answer. So looking at the groups, you have to return a list of strings which is longest unequal. So in this example, 1 is not equal to 0. So this can be taken in answer, and 0 is not equal to 1. So these are the and 1 equal to 1. So this is the longest unequal subsequence, and its corresponding elements are A, B, C, and AC. There can be more than one answer, and you can return any of the valid answers. So what I have done, I have taken a list of string in the end to store all the list and find the maximum list which has the maximum length. This uh, this uh, this array list I have stored to store the list at the end. And what I have done, I have taken a loop to brute force in the groups array and find the adjacent elements. First I have stored the first element, and then coming elements greater than the elements which is taken first. And I've taken, if they are not equal, I will store in the list. First element I have already stored in the list, and the next element I will store which is not equal, and I will swap the elements. Means the element 2 is now the element 1 for the next set of elements which is not equal. Likewise, I will store, and in this list which is created dynamically when the first loop is executed, and I will store in the list M, which is the list of list. And finally, when the list of string contain many elements, I will find the maximum length, and I will store that in the list of string in the answer list. And what I have done, I have taken a max element which is equal to the main element. So the first element which is coming is already obviously greater than the max, and max will be updated. And if next element is greater than the length, then max always gets updated, and so the answer.